followers of our Sampradaya. Before taking up Krishna consciousness, prasadam for us is a palmful of sweet offering that we get only when we visit temples. But now, anything and everything we take is prasadam. You were once moved to tears when you saw little boys fighting with cows and dogs for thrown away food behind the temple, and instructed your disciples that no one within 10 kilometers radius around the temple should go hungry. That instruction has organized itself today into what is now known as Food for Life. It has grown so much that it is now serving 2 million meals daily around the world. Taking inspiration from your instructions, in Gita Reading Society, we've been distributing prasadam to about 150 to 200 devotees and to public every Saturday, and about 40 to 60 devotees on Sunday mornings. On festival days, this number increases. On Saturdays, if there is prasadam left over, devotees are distributing it to the public around this area, thereby distributing Ajnata Sukriti to those people. And we are happy to report that for Rath Yatra festival alone, we distributed about between 3,500 to 4,000 plates of prasadam. And vast majority of this prasadam was partaken by general public. And similarly for other festivals like Janmashtami, Gaur Purnima, etc., we distribute prasadam in very large quantities. And we are happy to inform you that as a next step forward, a few of us started discussing just literally 2 days ago that we want to distribute prasadam in our workplaces also, where during various events food is served. So we want to take that opportunity to distribute prasadam in those events. And we are also possibly thinking of distributing prasadam through some of the NGOs that are distributing food to needy families. All these ideas are at budding stage at the moment, but we hope that by your mercy and with loving cooperation from devotees who have been tirelessly helping us in preparing bhoga, cleaning, serving, etc., we will be able to expand prasadam distribution program slowly and steadily in Singapore. Jai Shri Prabhupada, prasadam distribution ki Jai.
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Prabhuji. On behalf of Gopal's Garden, we have Gopal. So he's going to come up now and he's going to read on behalf of Gopal's Garden. I think he's fasting, so he's a bit tired.
Dearest Srila Prabhupada, thank you for all you have done for us. I'm so grateful to you. If you're not here, we will not see beautiful ISKCON temples all over the world with beautiful and amazing deities. We all love you, Prabhupada. Happy birthday. I've written a poem for you. I hope you like it. Prabhupada, thank you for all you have done. Prabhupada, thank you for preaching to everyone. Prabhupada, you started Rath Yatra so splendid. Prabhupada, thank you for teaching devotion that is transcended. Prabhupada, you gave us matchless gifts. Prabhupada, thank you for saving us from going adrift. Your servant Gopal, from Gopal's Garden.
We have an active group of young boys known as Bhaktavatslas, and Madan Mohan Prabhu and Brajari Prabhu, they oversee how we can engage them. Madan Mohan Prabhu, who is representing the Bhaktavatslas? Hari Bol? Where's Sharad Prabhu? Prabhu, please, come. So we'll ask Sharad Prabhu to give a short Vyas Puja.
Give some space.
Hari Bol, can you move? Children, you have to give space. Prabhu's right behind you.
नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णदेशाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदांत स्वामिनिति नामिने नमस्ते सरस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशतारिणे Please accept my humble obeisance to the Prabhupada. All glories to you. It is because of your book distribution that in the 1970s my grandfather purchased the Bhagavad Gita, and even though I received it at the age of 15, I was too sinful to fully appreciate it. But as time went by, as I read your purpose, it gave me great strength, and it gave me a lot of comfort, especially when my father passed away. And it gave me much strength needed when I was in my army days and had to endure a lot of torture, and every day I used to look at your purports and I was always rejuvenized. In the wonderful year of 2012, I came to know of the existence of devotees in Singapore in the form of a GRS advertising flyer. This time I never let go, and neither did you, Srila Prabhupada. In this degraded age, you boldly challenged Kali Yuga's stronghold all alone. Who else but a pure devotee like you could have started a worldwide authentic spiritual organization with no money and just chanting at Tompkins Square Park? Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu induced the animals in the Jharkhand forest to chant. But Srila Prabhupada, you made men and women who behave worse than animals into first-class devotees. I pray that one day people all over the world will truly realize that this is the greatest miracle. Srila Prabhupada instructed that we train the young as early as possible. Devotees around the world are trying sincerely to follow this. There are gurukuls all over, and even in our center itself, there are such platforms like Gopal's Garden. And one day, these young children will cross over to Bhaktavatsal and they will mature even more. Our youth must always meditate on one of the inspirational qualities of Srila Prabhupada, which was his perseverance. Youths nowadays tend to give up very easily and resort to dangerous activities when reversals come in life. As a true leader, Srila Prabhupada knew the way, went the way, and showed the way. All we have to do is follow. Srila Prabhupada ki Jai.
We have 2 or 3 final ones, and these are from the outreach programs, which are very important in our preaching. We'd like to invite Her Grace Prema Manjari Mataji to come forward, because we have a very active university preaching program, Srila Prabhupada, which is both in NUS as well as in NTU. And these programs are rich because we have many intellectually minded students who have taken up Krishna consciousness, and we hope that we can present this for your pleasure. Hare Krishna.
Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhaktivedanta Swaminiti Namine Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shundavadi Paschatya Vishitarine. O dear Srila Prabhupada, today on behalf of the devotees of NUS and NTU, I try to express a feeling of gratitude, though the words are not enough. The best part of you, Srila Prabhupada, is that you have given perfect combination of philosophy and practice. The most complex facts of absolute truth you have explained in very simple and lucid language, because of which even a practitioner who has just come recently feels very confident to share the same knowledge with others. There are no questions which remain unanswered in your philosophy. The effect of Kali Yuga, we see that it's percolating in every part of society, and youth is not an exception, or maybe it's getting affected fast. But it's just because of Srila Prabhupada's vision and his inclusive nature that he did emphasize a lot on college preaching and youth preaching. And because of that, today we have our preaching programs going in all major universities, including NUS and NTU. At this moment, I would just like to share one thing, that though we are just becoming an instrument, we do realize that it is just Srila Prabhupada's mercy which is coming. He sends his trained generals and commanders in every part of these places, and in no time we see that a huge army comes up in that universities. We have examples in NTU. Very recently we started a program, and yesterday we had more than expected number of students coming up in NTU, where the program has just started less than 2 months ago. So this shows that Srila Prabhupada is arranging everything himself, and this is because he has given the philosophy and practice which becomes lifestyle for each one of us. So I would just say, on behalf of all the students and the instruments, like all the others, all of us, that Srila Prabhupada, please, we request you that keep us in your family, which has given us not only our friends, not only has given us brothers and sisters and mothers, but has given us selfless teachers. Please keep us under your care and use us as your instrument, as you desire. We are eternally indebted to you, Srila Prabhupada. Hare Krishna.
Jai Srila Prabhupada ki Jai.
The Sengkang preaching program has gone on for a while. And from the Sengkang temple, besides all the new devotees who have come from there, there's also been programs from there to expand. There's a Bhagavatam preaching program, there's a Bhagavad Gita preaching program, there are programs for devotees to meet and discuss on all aspects of Krishna consciousness. On behalf of the entire range of preaching programs, we invite His Grace Ramananda Rai Prabhu, who together with his team is overseeing these programs, to give his offering on behalf of the team to Srila Prabhupada.
Srimati Bhaktivedanta Swami Nityananda Namaste Saraswati Devi Gauravani Vichar Nirvishesha Sunniva Satsang. Dear Srila Prabhupada, our Adi Guru, please accept my humble obeisances for glory to His divine grace, Srila Prabhupada ki Jai. I did not have the fortune of meeting you, your divine grace, in person, but I can see your presence in your disciples and many devotees of this wonderful movement that you have started for Krishna consciousness, and the many books that you've written. Srila Prabhupada, it is our great privilege to recite your pranama mantra every day and to pray for the opportunity to do so forever in whatever situation you may care for us to be involved in. Janma Janma Prabhuji. Our relationship to you is eternal and it defines our very existence. Anything that you might do, anything that we might do, say or think that is not wholly or solely meant for your service is simply Maya. Srila Prabhupada influenced us by your instructions, like in Bhagavad Gita 2:41. Vyasachami kahutir akiha kurunandana bahu saktya hi anantascha badhuyo vyasachinam. Those who are in this path and resolute in purpose, and the aim is one. O beloved child of the Gurus, the intelligence of those who are irresolute is many branch. You mentioned service in Krishna consciousness, however, best practice under the able guidance of a spiritual master who is bona fide representative of Krishna and who knows the nature of the student who can guide him in Krishna consciousness. As such, we have accepted instruction in our mission of life. And as Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur has instructed in his famous prayers for the spiritual master, Yasya prasada bhagavat prasado Yasya pratada nagitotopi Dayantuyam tasya yasasri sandhyam Vande Guru Shri Charananandam. By satisfaction of the spiritual master, the Supreme Personality of Godhead becomes satisfied. And by not satisfying the spiritual master, there is no chance of being promoted to the plane of Krishna consciousness. We should therefore meditate and pray for His mercy 3 times a day, offer our respectful obeisances to Him, our spiritual master. It is clear that you accepted your devotees to invite this attitude in relation to yourself. You taught us why we should follow, and you asked for total faith and commitment in our doing so, promising us in return the opportunity to be admitted into the pure, loving service to the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Nothing less than full, unwavering faith and commitment will serve the purpose. Yes, Srila Prabhupada, in this manner, with many unwavering devotees in Sengkang, the Sengkang program started more than 5 years ago. Today, many who came through the program are enthusiastically engaged in weekly Bhagavad Gita classes, Srimad Bhagavatam sessions, group japa, drama, children Vedic classes, book distribution, cooking, preaching, home programs, and many Vaishnava activities, including the celebration of many Vaishnava festivals for greater audience within the Sengkang program, including even your Vasa Puja celebration this evening. We came from different lands and became united for one single purpose, to serve the Lord in Krishna consciousness. We faced many challenges functioning in a South Indian temple in Sengkang, but we know through your grace, and we know this was only possible through you. The key word was association, and we strive for all our efforts on that to engage everyone in all possible ways. We are pleased that you've given us the opportunity and the strength to do so through cooperation and tolerance. We have always kept your divine grace in the center of all our activities. We have continued to refine our preaching efforts and get more new devotees to join us. We believe it is essential that everything and everyone be connected to divine grace, because only then will our lives be successful. And we simply pray that at the end of this short and miserable existence of ours, we will be able to go before you, Srila Prabhupada, our spiritual master, and truly say that we have tried our best to live by, preach, and implement your message, and that we never change it. So please keep us in your shelter, wherever we may go, or wherever we be destined to go, even birth after birth. Your unworthy servants, on behalf of Sengkang devotees, Ramananda Raidas. Hare Krishna.
Jai Shri Prabhupada Ki. Nivedita Mataji is coming from the Jurong Preaching Congregation. We have a full team of devotees in that part of the world. In Singapore, it's a very small country, but sometimes we consider some parts a bit further. Jurong Congregation was started about almost 2 years ago by His Grace Sri Narayan Prabhu and Su Gopi Mataji, and you'll be amazed that continuously